Do you want to drop?
Why don't you count it down on the walkie?
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Get a little further away from Craig. Get a little further away from Craig.
We're fine.
I don't want to.
I got a vehicle next to my right.
Craig is holding us out of the water. Yeah. I would not have Nice job.
Nice job, Craig.
Ooh. And then there's like no really unofficial end. It's just kind of like everybody just kind of does it.
Slows down his house.
Yeah. Wow.
Craig was
Wowza. He's a drag racer. He's a sneaky one, you know.
He's also got 3 less people.
Up to the line and blows you out of the water.
Mojave's just
That's right.
That's
right.
He's like saying.
Probably your shift points helped having the off-road plus on.
Nothing to do with the driver though.
Yeah, I think that made a difference.
That was nice. So I could try manual mode, but then
you try
it's
it.
late shifting. Yeah, we'll see.
It was actually pretty smooth. That was kind of nice because
Yeah,
it's not tore up yet. Sometimes it's a little hoppy.
Right.
And the nice thing is it's not all the quads and four-wheelers lining up all the time.
Craig's pulling up again.
Of course he is.
Craig's Cruiser over here.
Got a nickname for you, Craig. Craig Cruiser, or Craig's Cruiser.
Okay, if you count it down.
3, 2, 1. Oh,
well, even with a head start, he might not win. So
He's
still gonna whoop your butt.
Look at
him go! Look at him!
I was late on my shift from first to second. Yep.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Shoot, I was
He
late.
even got a late
I went
start.
over.
The more times we go, the faster Craig gets.
He's a racer, man.
I tried manual mode and I didn't shift it quick enough from first to second.
No, so
And
excuse
you
me.
even got a head start, Justin.
I know. Well, that's when I shifted them. Or just shifted over. I should have left him.
You
Yeah.
didn't try it again?
Yeah,
One
sure.
more?
Back. One more time.
That was so. He's just like whooping.
Yeah.
Oh. Or we got a little bit of the airplane. No, not quite.
Not quite. You're a little cooler.
It's probably hot.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a bump. Oh, the Talon went with some. Oh! Ooh. Morgan screaming. He's just like, go! Are you going to count it down? Or are you just going to go? Do you have anybody with the flag?
Oh. 3, 2, 1, go.
Watch the Talon! Oh my goodness! Ah!
Yeah, we let those guys.
He had Junebug Racing on his side. Look at Craig go.
He is a drag strip driver.
Yeah, it doesn't work in manual mode. It's too slow.
This guy.
Too slow shifting.
Wow. He is something. Oh, he left his thingies on, his mud flaps.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Craig is so, look at him smile.
He's like,
Yeah,
that
we're
was
good.
You can go up here or go that way a little bit.
Mhm.